Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Free Internship and Courses program. In this video, we are going to learn ISRO Apprentice 2026. ISRO Apprentice Recruitment 2026 notification is released and they are providing the stipend also up to 12,300 per month. And last date is apply for this one is July 31st, 2026. This is for the graduate, diploma and ITI jobs. You can apply now. So we can go through the step-by-step process. So the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO ISTRAC has invited applications for graduate apprentice, diploma apprentice, diploma in commercial practice and ITI Trade Apprentice for the apprenticeship year 2026 to 2027. So monthly stipend is there for the graduate apprentice 12,300 per month, diploma apprentice 10,900 per month and ITI trade apprentice is 9,600 per month. In this video we'll learn the complete ISRO apprentice recruitment 2026 batch wise vacancies, eligibility criteria, graduate diploma ITI opportunities, selection process and required document, how to apply. Important dates is that is the last date of apply is 31st of July 2026. Official notification is explained. So don't miss this opportunity to start your career with ISRO India Premier Space Agency. And this is the link ISRO recruitment portal and this is a notification PDF file and this is a ISRO career. So like, share and subscribe for the latest government job, ISRO, DRDO, ISRO Apprentice and free certification update. So here when we'll open this page, this is the recruitment page and recruitment for the post of graduate apprentice, trainee, diploma apprentice, trainee, diploma in commercial practice and trade ITI. So this is the advertisement number, this is the advertisement date and last date of advertisement is 31st of July 2026 and this is the ISRO center. Okay, so area of work is the graduate apprentice trainee, diploma apprentice trainee, diploma in commercial practice and trade ITI and this the status is open and location is Bangalore. So there is a advertisement is there. When we'll open this one, this file you can find there and here all the details are there. ISRO there is a telemetry tracking and command network Bangalore under the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO of the Department of Space invite the application to apprentice of 1 year training on the following trade: BE BTech Diploma in Engineering, Diploma in Commercial Practice, ITI under the Apprentice Act 1961 and Amendment Act 1963 and form time to time. So this is the post code, branch and location, number of posts and this is the monthly stipend and essential qualification. So there is a GH01. These are the posts are open in these are the training center. So Bangalore, Lucknow, Vijaypuram. So like that all the locations you can find here and the stipend is 12,300 B BTech in the commercial discipline of any recognized university. So you can apply now for this. So like that the library science and you can find your discipline here. So there's a computer science and engineering, ECE, triple E, ME and civil engineering, BSc IT, CS IT. So library science and there mechanical engineering. So this is a diploma apprentice and ITI. So you can go through the ITI also, electrics, mechanic, electrical, IT, TSM, fitter. So location is also there and how much stipend you will get. So all the details are there. So eligibility criteria is this: engineering graduates or diploma holder in engineering and commercial practice of IT, IT trades and notified discipline who have passed out the during the year This is the year 2024, 2025, 2026. And only undergo apprentice only join within 3 years of acquiring the degree. Means you have to pass this only you can apply. So the candidates should register their names on the nets. This one netseducation.gov.in, and enrollment number should be filled in the application form. So when we'll open this page, so there's a national apprentice training scheme and skill offer. So here, so for the student, and you have to, so for diploma and graduate pass out student for pursuing, so you can pass out, student registration is there. So you have to fill up the form, all the details. So because we need that nets enrollment number on the form. So this is the how to apply. So application should be received through mail only. Just remember that these are the mail address, email address you have to send through the mail only, and dedicated email for the notified post and location provided below. So these are the centers and these are the email address. Candidates are advised to attach the letter there. For example, graduate apprentice, degree certificate, diploma apprentice, diploma certificate, and technician apprentice, ITI certificate. So if degree, diploma, ITI certificate awaited, then the final year and semester mark sheet can be attached. Okay. So class 10 and pre-university mark card and certificate, then NETS enrollment number. So here, National Apprentice Training Scheme. From there, you will get this one. And should be mandatory mention the post code and the body of the email. Candidate should clearly mention the name, contact number, degree, and passing year, NETS enrollment number. For example, if candidate wishes to apply the graduate apprentice in the ECE, then post at the Lucknow. So name, degree, discipline, and passing year, and email to this one, FRMT Lucknow LKO. Okay, and the application should be forwarded to this. And for the Bangalore, you can BLR. Okay, so email will be similar, only change will be the email address. Next, last date of receive this application form of 31st of 07/2026, and the selection procedure is there. Application will be scrutinized and screened, and candidate will be called for the document verification interview. Panel will be drawn based on the academic score in the degree, diploma, ITI level, performance of the candidate in interview, the induction of the apprentice against the vacant training post will be made strictly based on their position of panel. Selection candidate will be informed by the through the mail. So candidates shortlisted with document verification interview are not eligible for traveling allowance. Means you have to go there and they will not allowing to TA. So how to apply for the National Apprentice Training Scheme NETS? So you have to open this portal. You have to provide all the details. You will get it. Enrollment should be compulsory be indicated in the apprentice form. So interview date will be this reporting center and interview date to 28, 27, 28 in Lucknow. This is Vijayapuram, Sri Vijayapuram is the 3rd September to 4th September. Bangalore 9 to 11 September. Candidates should not be reporting place for the interview for the respective post at the indicated on the table above. Attend the interview accordingly. No request to change place or interview or place of posting shall be entertained. So other term and condition are there. So those candidates who completed the qualifying examination as the regular candidate are only eligible post. Means part-time are not available and distance is not applicable. So other details are there. Main okay. So this period will be for the 12 months for the graduate, diploma, and ITI candidate. And medical fitness certificate is required. and course should be recognized by the any University of India and state boards. So this is completed. So candidate will have to process all the relevant documents, the original proof of the date of birth, mark sheet, and testimonials, certificate of education, qualification, caste, tribe, disability certificate, etc., and prescribed format. During the document verification, failing will be candidate will be considered disqualified at the apprenticeship training. So this is the step-by-step process we have gone through this one, and this is a career guide. So isro.gov.in. This is all a government portal. This is a government opening for the apprentice. So you can go through the all the details. So disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only. Under the Fair Use Section 107 copyrighted 1976. So no copyright violation is intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on chiragmahto@gmail.com, and all trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.